Congress has got voters in all the constituencies, but Congress in many constituencies don't have leaders, and that's a question. Do you agree to that? फाल्यां जर तुम्ही सांगले की 40 जाणांची नांवां सांग म्हाका 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सींतली आनी पेन एंड पेपर दिले जाल्यार you would not cross even 12-13.
See, it is not that Congress doesn't have leaders. We have leaders, we have voters in all the constituency. But in the same way, we might not have candidates who will win in all 40 constituencies. But I know, see, we cannot go overconfident जावपा जायना आमी. See, that is why alliance is required. See, leaders is one, and the second part is winnability. So leaders आशिल्ले म्हूण सगळे leaders जाता, सगळे आतां मात इलेक्शन पळयलें सगळे leader म्हणटाय आपण. So leader सगळे जाताय, but जिखपा जाय न्हू ते आमदार जावपा जाय. Leadership is one and winnability is one. आनीक जेन्ना तूं जिखता तेन्ना तूं आमदार जाता. Leaders आहा म्हूण तूं आमदार जायना. You have to have people with you. That is very important. So म्हाका दिसता leader आशिल म्हूण candidate जावन जिखता अशें ना. So leaders are there, but we don't have 40 candidates. That we admit. We don't have 40
How many
winnable candidates.
constituencies you think Congress should go for?
See, that is a very tricky situation.
More
If
than
you say-
21 at least?
Definitely. Why 100? More than you can say 25. 25 मायज वचपाक शकता आमी.
आमने 15 हेणी वांटून घेवप जाले मागीर तेंची झगडी जातली.
ना रे कित कोण सी दॅट इज वॉट आय एम सेइंग सी यू आस्क मी अ क्वेश्चन पूण कितली करपाक शकताय काय म्हण सी वे देर इज सम प्लेस यू हॅव टू सॅक्रिफायस. थोडे कडेन सॅक्रिफायस म्हणटा इम्पॉर्टंट ना. तूं सगळे काळ आपण जिखतलो आनी आपण कॅन्डिडेट घात म्हळ्यार जावपा ना तें.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.